Good evening, folks. Doing a mini challenge for John for the studio in a case. Looking for the top 4 getting spots in the main. Gonna get there. Challenge live. Or LV, whichever way it works for you. We got Nathan to Clayton. Copy that list in the randomizer. 8:33 PM local time. Nathan on top, Clayton on the bottom. Dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. We're going 7 times, looking for the top 4. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. 7. That's the final time there. Spot 1's getting spots Todd with more Clayton and Nathan. Verification code at the bottom there. 7 times we had to go in with it, go 7 times, and spots 2, 14, 12, and 1 are picking up spots in the main. Challenge complete.